Oh dear. There's the LNER 458 steaming itself in the sidings. There's the LNER driver just damping it out and making it steam itself. And there are the quadruple volunteers chatting like good old friends. Featuring the 70-year-old, of course, and the happy and lovely cashier. Oh. There's the lovely and happy cashier, and also the oh no, actually don't know how to say it, but 4 is quadruple. And the LNER just steaming itself in the sidings, like a good train should.